On the Money Watch, tax season is officially here, and April 15th is just around the corner. I mean, everything's just around the corner. Super Bowl, St. Patrick's Day, but this one you got to be aware of. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here with what we need to know as you start that dreaded process of prepping your return. The peerless Jill Schlesinger. Jill, thank you for your time this morning.
Great to be with you.
Okay, people tend to make big plans, big purchase plans around the money they're expecting to get returned. Now, that might not be the best advice to do that financially, but if you want to get it fast, what's the best way to get it fast?
If you file electronically and you use direct deposit, you're likely going to avoid the headache of a mistake or a delay. So if you are due a refund, you should receive it within 21 days of filing electronically, as long as there are no issues with your return. Now, listen, gang, last year, the average refund was over $3,200. And I just want to remind you that a refund is not desirable. You just lent Uncle Sam money interest-free. And remember, over the last year, you could have been earning 4 or 5% on that money just hanging out in a savings account. So next year, no refunds. Keep the money to yourself.
Okay, one thing to probably talk with your professional about, or go to one of these resources we're about to ask you about. Taxes are complicated. What are some free resources available to people, like free, not free, but then you got to pay to really find out? I've got my notepad out, you know,
right.
and also maybe resources to talk about. We just talked about minimizing that return next year so you can be getting interest instead of Uncle Sam getting it.
Exactly. Well, the IRS has gotten some new funding, and it's allowed the agency to open or reopen walk-in centers all over the country. So the magic website, irs.gov, is where you will find the one that is closest to you. Now, there are really great free resources. So IRS Free File, this is where the IRS works with a number of tax preparation companies, and they offer free online products if you make less than $79,000 last year. There's also a wonderful program. It's called the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Plan. This is free tax help to people who generally make less than $64,000, but also people with disabilities, limited English-speaking taxpayers who need assistance, and this is a wonderful program. Finally, there's also tax counseling for the elderly. This is free tax help for individuals who are 60 years of age and older. And gang, I know if you're 60, I'm already lobbying to the IRS. I don't like that idea that at 60, you're called elderly. So I get that. And then finally, there is the Department of Defense Mill Tax Program. This is a great and mostly underutilized program. Free return preparation and electronic filing software for federal income tax returns, for 3 state income tax returns, for all military members and some veterans. There's no income limit on this one.
Okay, yeah, we've got to remove elderly just from the entire vernacular. It's become kind of a pejorative, but we'll get to that in another day. So for most people, it's fairly easy to do their taxes online themselves, but others need more help. What do you consider the threshold to bringing a professional in and paying them?
You know, I think if you've got a complicated financial life, or maybe just last year was complicated, you may want to pay up for a pro. So maybe you're a small business owner, or maybe you're self-employed. Maybe you need someone who's pretty familiar with Schedule C, or who could advise you on how to send and who you have to send Form 1099s to. But also, what if you had a lot of investment activity last year? Maybe you sold property. Maybe you've got to file an estate tax return for a deceased family member. All those folks may want to get some guidance. You know, there are some really good tips at the IRS website on how to choose a tax professional. So remember, get going now, because these folks get busy. In about 2 weeks, they're going to be shutting out anyone who needs help.
Jill Schlesinger, priceless as usual. Thank you, and have a great tax season. I know this is probably your busiest, so good luck.
Too.